Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love read now. Let's see what's going on with you, Virgo, and what's going on with your partner, how you guys are feeling, and what action we can expect in this connection now. These are general collective readings, Virgo, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, leave the rest. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Virgo, let's get on with your reading, and welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your likes and your comments. Keeps me going. Thank you. And if you're new here, we welcome you too to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. And as always, Virgo, I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your person. And in the center, we'll have the most likely action you guys will take and some dialogue message cards. For the duration of this reading, Virgo, I will be calling this side person A, this side person B. If this is your reading, you'll know which side you resonate with, right? So let's begin. Bottom of my deck, I see the Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Not happy with the investment that's been put in this connection. At least one of you isn't, right? So let's keep this here and see why that is. So overall energy that I see of this connection, I think a masculine this side who's feeling very ungrounded. Maybe they're having money problems, or they're worried about their finances, or just overall feeling not in a very stable position, and feeling this connection is now kind of becoming a bit imbalanced. Whereas person B, I think, was hoping for the stable new beginning, but is feeling now things have totally ended, or at least they're feeling that way. So what's really going on? Let's check, and let's start with some dialogue message cards. So if Virgo and their partner could say something to each other now, Spirit, what would that be? Virgo and their person. If they could say something to each other, what would that be? Virgo and their person. That's enough. Let's take a few more from here. The true confessions. Virgo and their person. Virgo and their person, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? All right, good to go, Virgo. Let's begin our reading. The first card here says, I'm learning that I can still have a great life without you. I think this is person B thinking, yes, I wanted stability, I wanted a firm, new, stable beginning with you, but I feel it's over, and maybe I should, have this stable new beginning on my own now. I don't care what my family or anyone else has to say. I want you and nobody else. Which could be person A here saying that. Maybe they are stuck in a place where they're feeling a little out of control. Maybe the other people are advising them, or they have responsibilities of family or something, where they're now coming to that place that, hey, I don't care what anyone else says. I want you and only you. Can I trust you not to break my heart again? Which again could be person B here. My answer will be, I do. If you do come back to me correct, if you do fight for this connection, I think I'll still say yes. Only if I can trust that you'll never hurt me again. Giving up and leaving just seems so much easier than having to deal with any more pain. And that's the only reason why person B, I think, is leaving, is because the pain is getting unbearable here. Not because they don't love person A, or they're still not waiting for that proposal, or that chance to make things right. They're feeling, if either you come to me correct now, or I think I'll just leave. It seems so much easier than feeling all this 10 swords in my back. I can see myself settling down with you, but not right now. This is person A. The feeling not ready to, offer that grounded energy that I can take care, I can provide, I can be that perfect spouse for you. They're saying, yes, I do see my settling down in the future, but not right now. I'm not ready yet. They feel their life is not in balance at the moment. I have a need to always be right. Sorry, I gave you such a hard time. I may not be good enough for you. You seem to have high standards. See, this person doesn't feel good enough. They feel they don't have enough, or they can't provide enough, or they're not in the right place to offer. Somebody feels that they're not good enough maybe for the other person. The other person is they've put their partner on a high pedestal. Okay, so let's see what's going on with your connection. Before I start clarifying these cards, Virgo, I am going to take an angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels can help here with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. For Virgo, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Virgo, please. Blessing, guidance, advice. Okay. There is love here, Virgo. This card keeps coming out for you, all my readings. The love is there. You both do have a lot of love for each other. And yet I see discord. Okay, so let's... I'm going to start with person A's energy. Virgo, you could be here, you could be here. I have no clue. For me, I'm going to be clarifying side A first. For person A, they're feeling in the King of Pentacles energy in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Why do they feel like the King of Pentacles in reverse at the moment? One more. Person A does have a lot of love. They do have a lot of love for person B. They're showing up as the King of Cups. And they know who their star is. They are wishing and hoping to sooner than later come towards person B to be able to express that love, but maybe not feeling ready right now. Maybe they have a lot of stress and tension in their life, and they're going over and over, how to get out of the mess that they find themselves in. There's a lot of overthinking. This is like a person who's stuck in their own head, trying to they're trying to find a way out of how do I do this? How do I do this? How do I get my wish fulfillment? How do I become that King of Cups and be able to offer that whatever my person B is wanting from me? Temperance in reverse. Temperance in reverse. Why does this person feel that? They feel their life is very imbalanced at the moment. They feel they've lost power. They don't have the control. They don't have the power. They have a lot of regrets, or they feel they will have a lot of regrets if they make a decision. This is a person who's feeling very sorrowful. And there are 3 cups here which are spilled. So this could be they would have to leave somebody behind, or maybe lose their position somewhere. They feel their life is just out of balance right now. They're feeling absolutely powerless in a situation, but yet having a lot of sorrow and regret on their end. One more, Spirit, for the Temperance in reverse. They are obsessed with, I think, person B. They find their partner to be dynamic. They see their partner as a go-getter. They find their partner to be beautiful, and they know that this is the person I want. There is an obsessive love for person B, and yet feeling out of control and out of balance for some reason. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to be feeling this way? 8 of Cups in reverse and the Knight of Swords in reverse. Maybe you guys did get back together at one very recently, and it led to some kind of an argument or a fight, Virgo. Maybe regarding being a wife or about a wife. I don't know. What's this 8 of Cups in reverse, Spirit? Yes, there was a message. There was a message, some communication which happened. in the recent past about maybe somebody wanting a position in this emperor's life, to be the empress in this emperor's life, and which could have led to some kind of an argument here. Knight of Swords, Spirit. What's this Knight of Swords? Knight of Swords, yes. This argument, fight, stress, whatever happened, maybe somebody called the other person a player or said, hey, you are not interested in offering me what I really deserve, and you're always in and out of my life, you're not stable, you're inconsistent, and that led to a fight. And I think one or both of you are now in separation and not being able to sleep well at night and overthinking, stressed out, tense. No wonder this imbalanced feeling is there on person A's side. Now let's see, how does person A really feel about this connection, and what are their feelings towards person B? How does person A feel about person B? Person A does want to work with person B, it seems. Three of Pentacles. What's this Three of Pentacles? Three of Pentacles. What's this Three of Pentacles, Spirit? Yes, they do want to work with person B. They actually do want to come across to person B when, as their spouse, their stable partner, which they're not feeling at the moment. They're feeling actually like the King of Pentacles in reverse. But this is what they really want. They want to work towards person B. They want to... one second. There could be another angle to this. Let me clarify this. What's this Two of Pentacles? Two of Pentacles. There is a possibility there could be a third party involved. Maybe they're already married and they are kind of going back and forth in their mind as to how to end one chapter and move to the real love of their life here. See, this person is juggling here, saying, what should I do? Like, what choice should I make? How do I shut one chapter and start something new with my true soulmate? This could be a third-party situation, Virgo, where this person is already married. And if not, then yes, they do want to work with person B. They want to be their provider, their, the person who can bring justice to a relationship. They do feel this very strong soulmate connection with them. They do want to start this now. Maybe they're just wondering how to do it. Maybe it could just be money problems or something they're trying to figure out in their life before they can offer a new beginning to their soulmate. So what action this person will finally take, we'll open later. Let's go on to side B and see how they are doing. Person B, Ace of Pentacles. Why is that, Spirit? Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. And the Ten of Swords. Person B has a lot of respect actually for person A. They do see them as a very dynamic person. They love person A. They do want to have this fresh, stable beginning with person A. But right now feeling rather defeated after some things have been said or some secrets have been revealed. It could have been after this fight that you guys had. The person is feeling now everything is out in the open. I've said some maybe nasty things. They've said some nasty things. This relationship has totally ended. Whereas I was wishing and hoping for this new beginning with them. So what really happened in the recent past for person B to be feeling this way, Spirit? Three of Wands. What happened in the recent past? What's this Three of Wands? Maybe there was distance between the two of you. Maybe somebody wanted to talk about the future. There was confusion here. And what else, Spirit? What happened in the recent past? Yes, this fight happened. The same position this card has come out. Somebody maybe wanted to talk about the future, what's in it for us. There was a bit of confusion here in maybe your dialogue deliveries towards the both of you, and this relationship suddenly kind of stagnated here. It stopped, and both of you are now feeling that the soulmate connection is now over. There's no more love here. Why is that, Spirit? Two of Cups in reverse. Why is the Two of Cups in reverse? Two of Cups in reverse. Why is the Two of Cups in reverse? Somebody pulled back their love now. Somebody's pulled back their love, and if there is a lot of love here from both your ends. This person has the King of Cups, you have the Queen of Cups. I mean, this is an equal match. Somebody, even though this has kind of stagnated and that loving feeling is gone, I think somebody still wants to reconcile, have a re-beginning, restart, is still somewhere hoping for, things to turn around and reunite once again. So how does person B really feel about person A now? I don't know. No, I'll take one more card for this Three of Cups. Spirit, what was that? Three of Cups? Three of Cups? Three of Cups? Yeah, somebody still does want that commitment. Or maybe this talk was about person A's commitment and the third party. And somebody's pulled back their love to say, hey, if you're not going to do the right thing by me, then let's call it quits. Okay, so how does person B feel about person A now? Queen of Pentacles in reverse and the Star in reverse. They somewhere feel this person is just not making a choice. They're just not making a choice. I'm not going to be hanging on forever at crossroads. If I'm not going to get this, position or stability or be their spouse or be their partner, I'm always being made to feel this way, then maybe I'm not going in the wrong direction here. Maybe there is no hope here for my wishes to come true. Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Queen of Pentacles. Person B is only looking for now communication with person A once again. They want that truth. They just want the truth. Are you in or are you out? They don't want to be stuck in their life forever. They are also now starting to feel a bit ungrounded in their life because they've been, I think, hanging on, waiting for a long time. They just, all they're saying is, hey, just make a decision. Tell me the truth here. And give me communication as to, are my wishes ever going to come true with you or not? Star in reverse. What's the Star in reverse? Yes, I think person B is heart of hearts waiting for that apology. Yes, they are waiting. Look at them. Waiting, stuck, not moving. They haven't left either. They're waiting for the Wheel of Fortune to move again, for some, good luck to come their side, for this relationship to start gaining momentum again. I think all they're waiting for is an apology or that offer to come from person A's side. Right now they're feeling bad. They're feeling my wishes are not coming true. But heart of hearts still waiting for that. They aren't moving. They're still kind of trying to wait. Okay, so let's see now. What action will person A finally take now towards this connection? Three of Cups in reverse. Why is the Three of Cups in reverse, Spirit? As the action person A will take. Will they end a third party? Or... Okay, wonderful. One more. One more. Oh, yes, person A is wanting to heal this broken heart now. They are going to have this clear communication very soon. It's going to happen all of a sudden, unexpected. It's going to change your lives. I think the communication they're coming with is no more third parties. I'm looking for my 10 of cups with person B. I want two. I want two. I love you. I want my happily ever after with you. I'm not interested in anyone else. And this communication, this action that person A is going to take is going to be clear, precise, and it's going to come out of the blue. At least that's what they want. That's their intention. And let's see person B. King of Cups in reverse. Why is the King of Cups in reverse as an action person B intends to take? Too many cards. Why is the King of Cups in action? Just when one person kind of starts leveling up, the other person gets their sword up. It's the same story for so many people. They don't trust their person anymore. They feel, they come in with all these sweet words, they make promises, they're just emotionally manipulating me, and person B has their sword up to say, okay, if you're coming back, I need the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. But the point here is both of you are taking the same action. Somebody is wanting the same thing as the other person. This is an equal match here. One person is wanting to talk to the other person, leaving emotions aside, just have a talk across the table to say, hey, where are we going? Don't give me sweet nothings, give me the truth here. And it's going to happen because the love is pure, love is true here, Virgo. So, yes, time is fluid. I can't promise you it will happen tomorrow, but this is in the pipeline for you. Okay, that's all I have for you, Virgo. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.